In front of me is OnePlus Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on Google section located at the bottom and tap on All Services. Now scroll to click on Autofill with Google. Finally, you can click on Google Password Manager. Now select Accounts on the left and click on Add Password to add your own to this manager. But a common problem is if you'd never added a password before, you won't see any of those options. Now to fix that and make those visible, hit Settings on the left and make sure this is super important to tap on this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords if it's not already on. Then you can leave settings running in the background and click on any app. Like Facebook, you'll need to log into it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit Save at the bottom right corner. And now go back to Settings. Click on Google Password Manager. And as you can see, my password is here. Yours will show up here as well, making you able to tap on Add Password at the top and finally input all of those informations. Now you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!